Hey everyone, just wanted to talk about a relatively new feature on Seller Central, particular in the EBC and A+ content manager, where you can actually add EBC or A+ content in bulk to multiple lists. So this is actually a follow-up video to one I made earlier. If you haven't seen it, go ahead and check it out in the link that should pop up somewhere in this video. So let's get to it. Welcome back to the Sunken Stone YouTube channel, where we offer tips, tricks, and tutorials to improve your e-commerce strategy every week, so be sure to subscribe. I'm Edgar Garcia from Sunken Stone, and today I'm going to show you how to add A+ content and EBC in bulk to all your listings. So stay tuned. So this is actually a relatively new feature where you're able to add A+ content and EBC to multiple listings. So what you're going to do is go to your EBC section, so under Advertising A+ Content Manager. And then once you're there, you'll be able to see all of your EBC and the status, whether it was approved, denied, or it's a draft. So I'm just gonna go to this one right here. Once you're here, you'll see the actual EBC and what it looks like. But where you're gonna want to go is go to ASINs, and then you can see here where you can actually find your listings. Okay, so once you enter this EBC in particular, you can see what the A+ content looks like. You can see which ASIN it's applied to. So in order to add more ASINs, just go to Edit. And then once you're here, you're going to want to go to Next Apply ASINs. And then you can go ahead and you see this section where it says Bulk Upload. You can actually upload a spreadsheet. And you can just simply create an Excel, and here it has in the first column, all you have to do is just put the ASIN. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm just going to add a few pretend ASINs, and all you have to do is save, and you can save it as tab delimited text file. Once you're there, bulk upload your spreadsheet, select, and then you can just add this. And then all you got to do is hit review and submit, and then your EBC would apply to all those ASINs that we added. One thing I recommend is to use the brand story EBC, and I picked a product specific EBC, but I recommend doing a brand story and just talking about your brand and adding that to all your ASINs, and it just makes for a more interesting detail page. Yeah, and that's pretty much it on how to add EBC to multiple ASINs. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks. So what's your next step? If you really want to level up your knowledge on flat files, then watch this video next. It's called the Ultimate Amazon Flat File Tutorial in 2022. And you'll learn insider secrets from me and CEO Adam Wheeler on everything you need to know about flat files in 2022. Just click on the video you see on your screen right now. I'm Edgar Garcia, and I'll see you there.